Hey everyone, it's Annabella here again. I do hope you're having a good time. I've been doing pretty good since our last encounter. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about workable strategies that you can use to get a woman attracted to you and ultimately start talking with you. Now before we start, please click that cheeky subscribe button and turn on the notifications, as there's going to be so many more videos coming your way. It is as a result of numerous emails from my male clients asking how they could be more engaging and exciting during conversations with women that has brought me to make this video. I'm going to help you become more attractive and also become more of a participant when it comes to chit chat. The issue of communication with women is not a new one. Now I've spoken about it several times and also made some videos about it, the same topic. Maybe in your free time you could try looking into the archives of this channel, because you never know what you might find and learn, and the two things could be helpful to you in your course. Anyway, here is some new information that I've gathered for you regarding the issue, because as usual, I got you back. I believe that women are easy to approach when you strike up a conversation. I mean, you can effortlessly pick up and talk with a stranger and enjoy it. The problem, therefore, is not initiating a discussion, but transitioning from small talk to a more meaningful and deeper conversation. With that said, how do you smoothly navigate from small talk and pleasantries to have her talking about something more emotional? Number one, logic versus emotions. Now, I've repeated more than enough times in this channel that men operate more in a logical and factual realms of life, while women are more inclined to be more emotional on the side of life. It is therefore means to appeal to a woman, engage her emotions, when with a man, engage his brain and logic. With that in mind, how do you engage a woman's emotional side? It's rather simple. Focus on emotion side of whatever you are discussing. For example, let's say you're talking about her career. Instead of asking her why she chose that venture in engineering instead of maybe office work, associate it with more of an emotional connection. How does it make her feel when she's working on mechanical machines? How does it make her feel assembling the parts? Subconsciously, she's going to open up to you by telling you things about her job that you would never have asked in the first place. It works like working a piece of automated equipment. Once the key's in and you've started the engine, it will adequately run on its own. Number two, do not interrogate. One thing about the deep and meaningful talks is that when the conditions are right, it comes naturally. It's therefore voluntary. Any sane lady will pull away and withdraw in moments when she feels like it's something of an interrogation. You could be doing it innocently, even without realizing it. To avoid falling victim to this, by making sure that you offer some information about yourself regarding the question in hand, or the question you're asking her. For instance, you want to know how her weekend schedule usually is. You could approach it from this angle. Hey, what do you do during the weekends anyway? Whenever I'm not working, I like to take out my dog Russell. We go around the park, he gets really excited, and it's a really fun day out. He gets to meet all his dog friends and it's really, really cool. Now, you've asked her that question, but you've also offered information about yourself at the same time. It becomes more of a conversation for both her and you. Number three, be confident. How deep your conversation goes depends on how confident you are. One thing about us women is that we can intentionally test your courage. For instance, in the course of this chit chat, a woman can blurt out a comment like, "That's the most stupid thing I've ever heard." This might not sit well with you, especially if whatever you've put up doesn't seem stupid. However, your reaction is paramount. If you're not confident enough, you will most likely react in an aggressive way that may end up being seen as rude, since you did not get the approval you wanted. However, as a confident guy, your reaction will be different, as you're not seeking her endorsement in the first place. However you handle the issue will exude maturity and confidence, which will make her want to talk to you even more. Number four, do not give away too much. I always say, if you do everything on the first date, what will you do on the second and subsequent dates? You will technically have nothing really to look forward to. The same with communicating with women. If you give away too much information about yourself, you'll have to do it all over again, and you may run out of things to tell her. Only tell her the basics of what you think she should know. Be sure to let her, however, know that you have not told her everything about yourself yet, and will only tell her when she proves worthy to let you in on another level. Note that you're not giving her conditions. You're just setting a bar that she can choose to pass or not. Let her quality of herself be worthy. Women love a challenge and will go out of their way to prove that she is worthy for your attention. Such an approach will elicit curiosity, which is what all of us women really want. Number 5, be an active listener. Sometimes men have trouble communicating with women because they're not active listeners. We all know that listening to us women can be a little bit draining at times, as we are very, very emotional, which you as men don't quite understand. But a man has to do what a man has to do. I mean, you want to get to know her because you have some interest in her. That's the only small price to forego for what you could potentially gain. Be present as she speaks to you. By this, I don't mean that you should, on her marks, give her solutions to the issues that she's sharing with you. No. She wants you to listen to her, not offer solutions. Only provide answers to a woman if she asks you to do so. Using these 5 strategies, you are going to have what you need to get women talking to you, ultimately attracted to you as well. You see, communicating with women is simple. You just need to treat her like a woman and not one of your man mates. Gents, that is all for me today. Please check out our e-products page, and we have a number of ebooks displayed, and all of our ebooks will give you the very best strategies that you need to conquer your dating life. All you need to do is click on the link below or the card above, and it's going to take you to our display page. Once you've completed the payment, the download of your ebook is instant, and you could be reading in a blink. So you know what to do. If you do want to work with us one-on-one, please click in the contact us link in the description box below, and one of our customer service reps will be with you in less than 24 hours. Of course, if you've loved this video, like, share, comment and subscribe. I've been Annabella Rose, and I'll see you next time.